Hello everybody, Shalon Winter here. I am the group admin for Apex Trader Funding, the non-official group here. And full disclosure, I'm not an Apex employee. I'm just an affiliate that uses their tools and their funding to do my own personal trading. And I get a lot of people, this quick video is just really to tell you what futures trading is. I get a lot of people asking me, is that like trading stocks? What is that? Basically, because it is a pretty hot thing to do right now, is trade stocks and crypto and all that. Futures trading is basically all a futures contract is you're buying a contract that's saying that you will buy a specific commodity or asset for a specific price at a future date. So if you look on the screen here, these are the funds, the indices here, the S&P 500, the Dow, NASDAQ, Russells. There's many more, gold, oil. And basically, if I buy one contract on the NASDAQ at the current price, $15,797, I'm basically saying I'm going to buy that asset at that price, but actually purchase it at a future date. For what we do, we're just trading the contracts. That really doesn't matter. What we're doing, like I said, is we're buying a contract. If we think the price is going to go up, we're buying it. If we think it's going down, we're selling it. And all we're doing is just flipping the contract. And personally, what I do is I'm a scalper. So I'm in the trade for seconds usually, maybe a minute. And all I'm doing is buying it and selling it, getting in and out the contract. So the actual concept of a futures contract, we're not really playing that out. All we're doing is just buying and selling a contract in and out. And to keep that simple, for example, every contract is worth a specific dollar amount. And the NQ right here, which is mostly 99% of what I trade, which is the NASDAQ here, for every 25 cents that this moves up, every 25 cents the contract goes up by $5, because one contract for the NQ is $5. So basically, if I buy one contract, I'm buying it, like I said, for $5. And let's see here. I'm buying it for $5. $5. And if that NQ NASDAQ price goes up by 25 cents, then now my contract is worth $10. Pretty simple. So for every 25 cents the NASDAQ moves, and like I said, each one will have its own pricing. So the S&P is worth $12.50 per contract. So you got to find out which one, how much they are. The Dow is $5. Crude is $10 per contract. So you just got to find out how much per contract it is. And then for every 25 cents it moves up or down, that contract is now worth either $5 more or $5 less. Pretty simple. So every time the price moves 25 cents, that's called one tick. If the price goes up 25 cents, it moved up one tick, or 25 cents. If it goes down by 25 cents, then it went down by one tick. That's really all it is. So, and like I said, if I buy in at a specific price, I buy one contract, that means every time it moves 25 cents, that contract is worth $5 more or $5 less. So let me pull over a chart here real quick. Quick little chart. Now, full disclosure, trading is risky. You can lose all your money. Know what you're doing before you do it. This is not how I trade. This is just a chart. This is not, there's no indicators, no analysis here. I'm just simply showing you the price movement. So this is the NASDAQ. If you look here, the price is moving by 25 cent increments. So if I buy a contract, whatever price, and every 25 cents it goes up, it's going up, the value by $5. So I'll show you. Again, this is not no analysis. I'm just simply going to put on a simulated trade just to show you the price movement. So if I sell, let me change this to dollars real quick to show you. Okay, so you can see every 25 cents it's moving. My contract value, because I bought one contract at this price, $15,824.75, and every 25 cents it's above, it's moving in $5 increments because it moves by ticks. That's all it is. So you gotta have a strategy though. You know, you can't just go and do this and have it just going up and down and not knowing what's happening. So you can also lose the same amount just as quick. So you have to have a strategy, have your edge, you know, whatever strategy you have, and you know, that's pretty much it. You close it, you know, so you make another order here, you just sell, whatever, however you trade. This is not any specific type of trading, but this is just showing you how it moves. And if it, you know, runs all the way down, you get $5 per every 25 cents that it runs down. It's very simple. That's literally all it is. So that's all futures trading is. It is a quick thing. So as you can see, you can make a lot of money, lose a lot of money really quick. But other than that, that's really all it is. It's different than options trading. Options trading, there's so many other things that come into play, like, you know, the Greeks and all that stuff, timing. This, you don't, I mean, it's very plain and simple. If I think the price is going up, then I buy it, and every 25 cents it goes up, I'm making $5 per contract. You know, I could do more contracts too. So for example, if I have two contracts, that's $10 per tick per 25 cents, because now it's double. So now if I buy it here, you can see it's $10 every 25 cents it moves. And that is it. You, of course, like I said, you want to have a strategy. There's all different types of strategies. There's different companies that teach you different types, whatnot. Apex has their own trading strategy. That's what I use. But you know, there's all kinds of traders that use all different types of trading styles. This is not an Apex system right here. Well, we do trade on this system, but this is not an Apex chart. So, so you can see, and actually the market's not moving very much right now. A lot of times it moves up and down, and you see it swing quite a bit. But you can see how quick it is, though, too, compared to just jumping in a stock or something, you know, that could take a little while to move. So that's it. That's really all that it comes down to here. And that's how futures works. That's it. So you just look for your edge. You know, whether it's going to go up or down. And actually, you know, you can have your profit and stop losses too. Of course, you definitely got to have that. You know, let's just say we're going to use this. Puts a nice little profit, stop loss. Goes up, hits your profit. So that's different. This is just to show you what futures are and how to trade them. Not how to trade them, but what they are. As far as trading strategies, you know, there's other videos and whatnot you can watch for that. But yep, that's it. That's all futures is. We're just trading contracts. Keeping it simple. Alright, have a good day.